Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome to another analysis. Guys, new week is a very cool Monday. Raining over here in Lagos, and we've been chilling. So, guys, we recently closed our gold swing, all right, which we held for like a week. Yeah, we opened it last two Friday, all right. Then we closed it during the Asian session that when the market opened this morning, and we closed it around 3,440, 3,450 thereabouts. So, and ever since then market has been retracing. So this, I think this is the trade over here. This is from our VIP group, all right, the soft signal group. If you want to be part of that, just check the link in the comment section. Then you can send me a DM. Then I'll add you up to that group. So I think this is the trade over here. So as you can see, this morning I said this is around. Okay, that was last night during the Asian session when markets opened. I said closing my position here, hoping for a fresh this week. And we're also in a BTC trade, as you can see over here. Let me just show you the trade on the charts. So we're currently in a BTC trade. We entered this trade on Friday. Today is Monday, so we've been holding for like 3 days now. So as you can see, it's pumping towards our direction. Already close to CP1. All the breakdown of this trade is available in our sub signal group, all right. And let me just show you where we and when we entered that trade. So these screenshots are from our sub signal group. I think somewhere here. Okay, so yeah, no, this is when the trade has been moving. Yeah, so this is when we entered the trade over here, as you can see. So um yeah, so we are currently in a BTC long. All right, so let me just break down gold first of all for you guys, to show you what we are expecting from gold. Now, I told you guys from our previous analysis that as long as we are this particular trend line over here, that will continue to pump. Gold is obviously bullish, all right, since we broke out from that daily channel. We've been pumping upward. So what we're expecting this week, all right, is for price to retrace into this structure, because here we have this structure over here. Have this structure over here. So this is basically why we closed our trade, because we've taken out this liquidity over here, then also take out this liquidity over here, then we close that particular trade. So what we're expecting the market to do, all right, this week, before we will take another swing position. We also take day trades from time to time, right? So we're expecting markets to retrace into any of this trend line, immediate trend line, then give reaction. So we're looking for a setup over here. Now another scenario is that if we see a push, all right, past those trend line, then simply means that we're heading into the major daily or weekly trend line, which is this one over here. So this is basically what we're looking for. So you might want to be looking for a buy over here. If you use supply or demand, or you just trade market structure or smart money concept, then all you want to do is for you to wait for retracement into this level. Now, one thing I also showed my guys in the soft signal group, which let me just show you guys for free. Um, the reason we are having this drawdown, this push down over here, is because of this daily FEG. Daily FEGs, I use them as magnets on the chart. So we are most likely to see price coming down into this level before we start looking for a buy. Now, this alert over here, the reason I love using alerts is because it tells me what is happening on the chart. Even I don't need to be here on the chart, all right. So once price goes down and triggers this alert, that is when I start looking for, okay, are we getting a setup here before we take a trade. So that's basically what we are looking for. Gold is still very bullish. You keep buying gold, keep buying gold, keep buying gold. Now let's look at BTC and see what BTC is doing, looking from the charts over here. So like I told you, this is the trade we are currently holding on BTC. Now looking from the daily structure, something I showed my guys in the soft signal group is that looking from the daily structure, you can see that this bounce, which I talked about in my previous video, was actually a clean bounce. So we're most likely to see gold, all right, since we've had this change of character over here indicating a continuation with these huge fair value gaps over here, you are most likely to see this bounce, then we'll see BTC continue to go upward. Now if we go down to the 4-hour structure, there's something I told you guys when BTC bounced off that daily structure. I told you that we're going to create a change of character here, which we created, and we are going to see BTC retrace into the golden zone, all right. and you can see right here BTC retraded into the golden zone. Then we took a trade over here, and that's the trade we are currently holding. Though in before then, I'm not gonna lie, because this is trading. You're not gonna win every time. We actually took a buy around here. Why? Because this was our first point of interest, all right. Then this area was our second, which is the one we took over here. So we took a trade over here because this was a demand zone also, but the trade went all the way up very close to our TP1. Some people took their profits here actually. Then price now went and took us out of the trade from stop loss. Then we had to wait for price to retrace fully down into the golden zone of this swing. So in the meantime, BTC is still very bullish. All right, and we also have this trend line break over here with this intersection of this trend line, then supporting the bullish bias. So after this breakout, we saw some retest and BTC continue to push forward. So if you're looking for any position on BTC, keep buying the market. So guys, that is an update for the week. You can check my previous videos and see how we'll be analyzing BTC and gold for weeks now. Guys, if you trade BTC and gold, this channel is the best channel you should be subscribed to. See you guys, and do have a lovely and profitable trading week ahead. Out.